Hello everyone, my name is Calem. Welcome to Calem Enterprise Training. Today we're going to cover the dashboard module. The dashboard includes information from asset maintenance schedules, work order, service request, and change management. Here are the functional points. The dashboard includes summary and my summary data, work order main, SLA, PMES, miscellaneous schedule, service request, asset, and service alarm. We will also touch the analysis module, which is part of the dashboard. Let's take a quick look at the summary and my summary. The summary information are from data accessible to the logging user. So if a logging user has access to 2 sites, and the data would be for 2 sites. My summary data is for the data accessible and assigned to the logging user. So if I log into my site, I can see the data in my site and assigned to me. So we have these summary information in the dashboard. Work order summary, change summary. For the my summary side would be the work order summary assigned to me, and work order completed, work order in process, weekly progress, daily emergency, and weekly compliance. Let's take a look at it in the Calem. So here's the summary tab for the dashboard. We can see that for the work order summary, it shows work orders to be approved, to be planned, to be executed, to be accepted, and also to print. For the change summary would be something similar. These are all the data accessible to the logging user. We also have work order completed in yesterday, and work in process, and the weekly progress. It's for this week, and also the daily emergency for yesterday that we've done. And weekly compliance would be the completion information for the past week. And for my summary, I can see that for all the work orders that I need to approve, that I need to do, and I need to accept. Same goes for the changes. And also for the completion in process, all these dashlets, it's the same concept, that all the work orders assigned to me, and that's showing in my summary. So the next dashboard is the Wmint tab. It shows open work order count by category, by status, backlogs, and the age for the active work orders. In this context, in Calem, open work order means all the work orders that have not been completed yet. Active work order means all the work orders that have not been closed. So let's take a look in Calem. So here's the main tab. We can see that we have an open work order count by category, work order backlog hours by category, and by status. We have a count by status, and also the active work order age by count and priority. So this doesn't look good if this is the real dashboard. The next dashboard is the work order service level agreement. You can look at the created versus completed on a daily, monthly basis, scheduled versus completed on a daily, monthly basis, and work orders with SLA enforcement and their completion on a daily and a monthly basis. So let's take a look at the WSLA. You can see the work order completed, created, completed daily. And if you do drill down, you can look at the completion rate. Okay, and same goes by work order scheduled, completed daily. And you can also see at a monthly basis. And there's also the work orders on SLA and their completion rate. So everywhere you can just do a drill down to look at the list. And if you further drill down, you can look at the specific work order list. So We also have a dashboard for PMs and emergency. So you can look at all the PMs created, completed, and their compliance. Emergency work orders created versus total work orders. That gives you a sense of how many emergency you're processing. And emergency work order created versus completed on a daily and a monthly basis. So let's look at the PMs created, completed, and PMs on time compliance. Emergency created versus total give you a breakdown rate here. And there's also PM created, completed monthly. So you can look at the monthly view. And the last one is emergency created, completed on a daily and a monthly basis. Again, everywhere you can drill down and look at the kind of emergency work orders and look at their rate. For the miscellaneous dashboard, it shows work orders created by origin, created by category on a daily and a monthly basis. So you can see here the work orders created daily by origin, daily by category, and a monthly view. For the schedule dashboard, it shows the total planned hours, scheduled hours, actually spent hours, and your resource total on a daily and a monthly basis. So you can see that how many hours are planned in the work order, how many hours are scheduled, what are the actual hours, what are the total resource hours on a monthly and a daily basis. For service request, the dashboard shows total created and completed, which give you a sense if you are completing service requests in a rate that meeting customer needs. So it's on a created and completed, and you can also drill down to look at the specific date. For the asset dashboard, essentially shows you the assets that are having a work order on them. So essentially you know how many assets are being worked on. And for the service alarm, you can look at the alarm summary by site. And these are the service alarms defined for work orders and service requests. In the training sessions on work order and service request, we have discussed about the service level agreements. And if their service level agreements were not met, a service alarm will be raised by Calem, and they're showing up in this service alarm dashboard. So there's summary, there's age, and there's count by status. So here's the asset pie chart in work order and the list. And the service alarm, there's a list showing the summary, essentially by site, and age, and the service alarm count by status. So if it's open, resolved, false alarm. For the analysis module, we have a labor cost summary for work order analysis, work order cost summary, work order cost summary, and a data list that are also displayed in the dashboard. In the asset analysis, we have asset downtime and asset summary. So here's the analysis module, and you can see there's labor summary, work order summary, and the data list used in the dashboard. In the asset analysis, you have downtime. Normally what you could do is you can do a group by asset group and do a summary, and what shows you all the downtime. You can then drill down to look at if there's unplanned hours there. In the hands-on lab, we'd like for you to review downtime for a month for an asset group, and then you can review the unplanned hours downtime in the for that asset group. That's all for the dashboard module. Hopefully you can use dashboard to monitor your system and also to find where you can improve your maintenance operations. Contact us at CalemEAM if there are any questions. Thank you.